What's up, everybody? Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. I hope you're all doing great and hope you're all having a great day. And welcome to this video in which we will cover Litecoin or LTC. That's obviously the abbreviation and the ticker, but most of you know that. I know that. But yeah, so we're taking a look at the price. We'll also talk about, that's what I always do if you don't know me yet. I always talk about the news and the fundamentals as well behind a token if the price goes up like this. All right, I think that's necessary to give you a full view of what's going on, but I also think that's necessary to do an accurate analysis, obviously. So Litecoin is green in a sea of red today. You can see we're up 12%, massive. As you can see, we had one major bullish breakout above this level here around $57. Which you could already see that we had a little bit more of bullish momentum, kind of following Bitcoin very closely, very closely. But we had a little bit more bullish momentum today. And to be honest, I mean, there's multiple things we can think of. Obviously, the Litecoin halving is coming closer and closer in 2023. So that's what's going on. Apart from that, we have some fundamentals later today, which I will make a full video on that, what you can expect. We won't go into depth too much about that today, but this is overall a little bit bearish. And then you also had Litecoin being brought or being made available on MoneyGram, I believe it was called, some sort of a big application, a payment platform, which allows you to buy Litecoin, which is bullish, but I definitely wouldn't expect a move like this. So altogether, I really think this is just a market move, all right? It's just an organic move, even though the price action might suggest something else. Because the volume is probably going up massively as well. Volume right now is at 1.2 billion. Yeah, you can see volume right here in certain spikes. It went up a lot. Here we went up from 430 to 700 million. So I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe like it's too sustainable for pump and dump. And so maybe it's whales buying up for that halving. In the end, Litecoin is still very solid. It might not be one of the best performers out there, but it's still a solid token, and it has been solid for over the last three months and also longer. Basically, ever since that 12th of May drop. Then we dropped down to $64. We're a little bit lower right now, but almost nothing, right? So yeah, still a very stable coin. So maybe that's one of the reasons why this is happening. If we take a look at the price though, the main thing we're struggling with right now is that $62 level, which is the upper bound of this bigger resistance level between $60 and $62. Obviously $60 is also already a strong resistance level. So we might be able to break through this, definitely with the fundamentals, if they turn out good, all right? But that is definitely something you should keep in mind. So the fundamentals definitely tonight are going to make the market move a lot. So the best thing you can do is either watch the video I'm about to make, but I don't like to self-promote, or take a look at Bitcoin. Litecoin is going to follow what Bitcoin is doing. So yeah, if we do manage to break above $62, then I think we're going all the way up to 66 and 64. So that's great. That would work in perfect market circumstances, but that also works if we get some bullish fundamentals tonight. But if we don't manage to do that, and if we drop down to like $58 again, then I think it's more likely that that will kind of consolidate on top of $57 and $58. And then if Bitcoin and the market actually continues to be bullish, so if Bitcoin is able to break above 21,000, then I think Litecoin is just going to follow that and continue the overall bullish market structure that has been going on for Litecoin. But again, if the fundamentals tonight are very bearish, then we could also just drop down to $57 and then drop down lower to 54. So that's definitely something to keep in mind, and it's hard to analyze with that, but hopefully you still have some more of an idea of what's going on with Litecoin right now and what you can expect in terms of price. So if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments, but for now, take care and have a great evening. Bye.